Hello, here are 6 profitable products to help increase your Q4 sales. First up, we introduce the video walkie-talkie. Next, we recommend the silicone seal strip. Coming in at number 3, it's the rotating dining turntable. At number 4, check out the car ice scraper. The 5th one is the motion sensor light. And last but not least, 2-in-1 spatula tongs.